Do you think your Android device is just for texting, browsing, and watching reels? Well, think again, cause in this course, I'm gonna change your perspective completely. Hey, it's me, Saad Maksud, and I welcome you to the TBEHC, that is Termux Beginner Ethical Hacking course, and together we are going to unlock the full potential of your Android device. So, I'm a computer engineer and a professional content creator with a strong passion for cybersecurity and ethical hacking. I've been working in cybersecurity field for almost 7 years now, and my journey with Termux began when I didn't even had a computer, and it became my go-to solution for learning ethical hacking and Linux on Android. And even after getting my own computer, I continued to use Termux for its convenience and flexibility. I have dedicated countless hours exploring its capabilities and sharing my knowledge and tools with the Termux community on platforms like GitHub, my website learntermux.tech, and my YouTube channel Saad Maksud. So if you are looking to master Termux and explore ethical hacking on your phone, you are watching the right video. This TBEHC course is designed to take you from a beginner to a Termux Pro level in 15 days, and whether you are new to Termux or have some experience, this course will push your skill to maximum level. I have carefully structured the course into 15 chapters, each with a specific focus to ensure a smooth learning journey. You will start with the fundamentals and gradually progress to more advanced topics, and if you are getting curious, here is a sneak peek into what you can expect from this course. So in the starting chapter you will see installation of Termux and configuring it to its maximum potential. Then we will see all the basic things that you need to know to use Termux, like CLI navigation, file manipulation, package management, text editing, GitHub file download, system networking, GUI hacks, and everything that you need to know to use Termux like a pro. After that, we will see some basic things like fun commands, fish shell, bash RC customization, alias, neo fetch, emoji prompt, everything that is basic and fun. After that, we will get on more serious topics like phishing attacks and DDoS attacks, and we will learn how to perform phishing as well as DOS attack, how to prevent them, how to not get hacked, everything. After we have done that, we will learn programming and writing a script, basically bash programming. We will see echo and read, make a calculator, we will see conditional execution loops, everything that you need to know to create your own scripts using Termux. After completing that, we will see social engineering attacks, how to prevent social engineering and how it actually works. Then we will see footprinting and information gathering, and in this section we will see how to trace someone's exact IP address. We will see information gathering, and after that we will see the practical of cam dumper tool, where you will learn how hackers capture images from someone else's camera. In the 9th chapter we will talk about hackers, one of the most favorite tools, that is Metasploit, and we will see how you can perform rat attacks using Metasploit. It's gonna be a complete detailed practical, so you are gonna love it for sure. And after that we are gonna study cryptography. We will learn encryption as well as decryption and how you can perform it in your own Termux, as well as we will see how you can customize your Termux like a hacker by changing themes. After you have done some fun customization, you will see how you can bypass verification and stay anonymous on the internet. Like you will see verification bypass, email bypass, 2FA bypass, what are the proxies, and as well as how you can use Tor to access the dark web. So you are gonna study all of that. Then the 12th chapter will be about location tracing, and in this chapter you will learn how to get someone's exact location using Termux. Then in the 13th chapter we will see how you can create a website using Termux. Here you will learn website creation, HTML, web servers creation on your own Termux. Then we will use some open source resources to create a professional looking website. After we are done with the website creation, we will learn daily use of Termux. Here we will see YouTube downloader and how you can use it in your own Termux, how you can use your Termux as a torrent client. We will see what is SSH and how you can access anyone's Termux using SSH, as well as your own Termux through your PC, and at the end you will see how you can chat like a hacker using your own Termux. So it's going to be fun. And in the last chapter there will be one final lecture where I'll add every information that you need to continue this journey after completing the course. So by the end of this course you will have advanced your Termux skill to a whole new level. You will navigate the Termux environment with effortless confidence. Managing packages will become second nature, and customizing your Termux shell will become a habit. But this course offers much more than technical skills. You will develop a new perspective on the world of Linux, gaining a profound appreciation for the power it holds. you will emerge as a more responsible digital citizen, equipped with the knowledge to protect yourself from online threats, making informed choice that safeguards your digital life. And even if you come from a non-IT background, you leave this course knowing more about Termux than many computer engineers do. The most important thing is that you will become a part of the Termux community and you will be able to use all the tools that it has to offer with ease. So who should enroll in this course? Well, the TBEHC course is designed for a wide range of individuals, including tech enthusiasts eager to expand their skills, absolute beginners taking their first step into ethical hacking, Android users looking to turn their phone into a powerful ethical hacking machine, IT professionals seeking to enhance their expertise, coding enthusiasts interested in the world of white-hat hacking, curious mind eager to explore Linux and Termux, and security-conscious individuals who want to safeguard their digital lives. In an age where digital threats are literally everywhere, this course is your shield, arming you with the knowledge to stay one step ahead of potential black hat hackers and scammers who exploit technology for their own gain. This course consists of 15 lessons thoughtfully designed to make your learning experience smooth and enjoyable. You will find assignments in between lessons to help you practice. I have provided text files, PDF, bash files, scripts, and also links of tools that I have used in the practicals. I suggest dedicating a day to each chapter. Some chapters are quick and won't take more than an hour to master. Others are more challenging and may require over 3 hours. So adjust your time to your pace, but aim to cover one chapter a day to ensure a good grasp of the material. Also, don't forget to pause and enjoy the memes I have included between lessons for you. So do you need any prior knowledge to learn this course? Well, no, you don't need any prior knowledge to start this course. It's completely beginner friendly, and if you know how to use your phone, you are all set to get started with the TBEHC course. So how you can enroll in this course? If you are watching this video, then there is a high chance that you have already bought the course. However, if you haven't enrolled yet, your presence here shows your recognition for the course value, and you know it's an opportunity to transform your digital skills to a next level. So you will find an option to buy the course right where you are watching this. Get the course and let's dive into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking with Termux and be a part of this Termux community. So thanks for watching the intro. This is TBEHC course. I am Saad Maqsood and I'll see you in the first chapter.